Yesterday only we have conducted at Kurtari, Our Lady of Carmel, and before that this Maina. So we are conducting every schools. We are conducting double. This is double thrice, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. They have because they are after us only to conduct the trips. Actually, when we give them the instructions, there are some staff also have been trained in this for TOT. So they should teach them in their schools. And that is important. Very important is they should teach them. Otherwise, what will happen if they don't teach them, or we don't give them this lecture and all? What will happen? If anything happens, they won't be able to do anything. They will be remain where they are there. There should be some clear instructions. So that's why we are conducting all these things. The basic fire safety, evacuation drill, and the mock drill, and even that evacuations while moving from the place of dangers to the safe place. This is the ground, and this is very important. In every school they should have it. We are conducting every school actually, and important thing here we have to this thing every occupant. I mean the teachers, the staff, everybody should know to operate the fire extinguisher when there is a fire or emergency. You know the incident happened in Arpora and all. So they should know everything. Evacuation is very important. So if they cannot extinguish the fire, at least they come out, should be able to come out from that particular area of danger. So that is very important. That's why we have conducted this training here in this St. Aloysius School, Benauli.
We learn how to extinguish fire. We use different types of fire extinguishers in our practical, and it was a really very nice experience to learn all of that.
Your name?
Faye Rodriguez.
Headmistress of St. Aloysius High School, Benauli. Today the Fire Safety Department from Margao came and highlighted on all the safety measures in case of a fire, and then a demo was given, and many of our students were given hand-on experience on how to use the fire safety gadgets. We thank the Fire Safety Department for enlightening our students on the same.